Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Zoom F8 and verifying essentials: batteries, SD card, and sync. Press the power button and watch the boot sequence. Once done, set sample rate and bit depth in the main menu so files record correctly. Make sure phantom power and input gain defaults match your microphones to avoid clipping. You'll want the timecode running if you're multi-device. Set frame rate now so you don't resync later. You now configure inputs and levels for each channel. Route mics to individual XLR inputs, engage 48V phantom only where needed, and name tracks in the interface to avoid confusion. Slowly raise preamp gain while listening through headphones, watching the LED meters. Aim for peaks around -12 to -6 dB to leave headroom. If sources are loud, engage the pad or limiter to protect against clipping. Once comfortable, arm tracks and confirm they show activity. You're ready to record. Press the record button and verify meters move and files are written to the SD card. Keep an eye on timecode and the slate channel if used, and listen to a mono and stereo mix to ensure phase and balance. When stopping, finalize takes and label files if needed to speed post. If you encounter silence or noise, immediately confirm cable seating, phantom power, input trims, and that the SD card isn't full. These fixes solve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.